Welcome to 323 20 Eagles Drive. This cute 2-bedroom, 2 full bath patio home with a 2-car parking pad, fenced backyard with storage room, an updated master bedroom shower. It's located in the Twin Eagles neighborhood in North Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and just back next door to the Spur at Northwoods golf course in the area. So we're out front. See, there's a nice parking pad. This is a patio home community. I believe this one is maybe part of a triplex unit, so you do have neighbors on both sides. So going up to the front door, you step inside to sort of a small foyer. In the entryway, you have the kitchen to our left here, but right off the entry to the right, you have a storage closet. So you can see some nice shelving built in. This one's kind of been adapted to a bit more of a pantry, but it looks like there's some hooks there to maybe hang some jackets or something as well. In the kitchen, again, right off the entry on this side. So it's a galley style. You do have a small area here where you possibly could put a small table and chair. White cabinets and light countertops, as well as white appliances. An included electric range, refrigerator, and dishwasher at the far end there. They're nice size and nice and bright. And then while we're on this side as well, you have also off of the foyer, as you can see, you have a full bedroom and bath that are adjoining, but you also have access to the bathroom off the hall. So it's a full bathroom with a single vanity and shower and tub. And then you also have a nice sized bedroom here at the front of the home, so works perfectly as a second bedroom. Also could be an office, playroom, or a media room as well, but you do have a full closet over there. So going back out now in the open floor plan dining and living space. So as you can see, a nice updated fixture here in the dining room. And then open to the living room, which has a ceiling fan as well as a nice skylight here as well. And then also in the corner you have an electric fireplace, and you have sort of a shelf on top where the mantle's built up, and access via the back door here to the small fenced backyard area. You have an oversized patio out here, some privacy fencing between you and the neighbors on the left and right, and then a small bit of fencing at the back that separates you from the actual golf course itself. Backs right up onto it. Again, this is the Spur at Northwoods golf course. As you can see, there's even some golf going on as we speak over there. So there's a couple tees actually right off the back, and also you have a storage room back here as well. So nice size storage on the outside that is lockable. So back inside, last but not least, you have your master bedroom suite. Ceiling fan in here as well, and this backs up to the backyard. And then on the opposite side, you have a combination walk-in closet as well as the laundry area. So full-size washer and dryer connections in here, and there's some attic access. There may be some storage up there also. And then also your master bathroom. So you have a single sink, large countertop, and mirror, and then as you can see, a nicely updated and tile, a subway tile shower enclosure at the back, and then sort of a medicine cabinet on the wall as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 323 Twin Eagles Drive. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.